The 2024 Rockstar Editions from Husqvarna. Factory editions by any other name are the established upgrade machines. More money, yes, but more bang for your buck with a list of official accessories added as standard. As ever, Enduro 21 is looking at these with off-road Enduro eyes, not MX shades on, but it's a sweet list of parts and there's nothing really between these bikes and an FX cross-country model anyway. The 2024 Rockstar Edition lineup is 100% bigger, with the FC250 rejoining the FC450, although this will depend on which country you live in, as parts of Europe, for example, only get the 450. The standout upgrade feature on these models is the new Connectivity Unit Off-Road (CUO), fitted to the fork leg behind the front number plate, and the front fender-mounted GPS sensor. Using the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles app on a smartphone, you can choose preset engine maps, based on predefined track conditions, customize, refine the engine braking, the launch and traction control settings, the sensitivity of the quickshifter and more. The app also includes suspension setup recommendations for different types of track conditions, plus the GPS sensor can record and analyze track sessions. We're pretty keen to try this feature on an enduro test where it could help them.